Hey curl gang! So if you want to see how I achieve this bomb twist out, stay tuned. Alright girls, so first things first. Make sure you start this style out on freshly washed hair. Then you want to take the BodyWorks leave-in conditioner and apply it to your hair so that your curls are moisturized. Be sure to evenly distribute the product through your hair. Like girl, really rub it in and then detangle with your brush. You know, you have to show your hair some love. After detangling my hair all over, I'm going to apply the natural curl defining cream. I'm repeating the same process with the curl defining cream. The key here is to make sure that the hair strands are smooth, honey. And then I'm going to split my hair into 3 sections because yes, you know your girl loves to do a 3-strand twist. So that's the plug, girl. We're doing a 3-strand twist. Okay, so let's slow this down. In one hand, I'm going to hold 2 pieces of hair. In the other hand, I'm going to hold 1 piece of hair. I'm going to take the 1 piece and cross it over the 2 pieces like so, and then switch the 2 pieces into my other hand and the 1 piece into the other hand, like this. Does that make sense? Now I'm going to repeat the same process and put 1 of the other 2 pieces in one hand and cross it over the 2 pieces in the other hand and then switch. And then I'm going to do it again, taking that 1 piece in one hand and crossing it over the 2 pieces. Basically, all you're doing is taking 1 piece and crossing it over 2 pieces. And you keep doing that until you finish the 3-strand twist. Let me zoom in a little bit closer so that you can really see what it is that I'm doing. I'm really trying to maintain the consistency of the 3-strand twist by always keeping 2 pieces in one hand and 1 piece in the other hand as I cross over. Now keep in mind, some of your strands may kiss a little bit, but that's okay. And basically that's it. You just repeat the process until you get all the way down to the ends of your hair. And once you reach the ends of your hair, apply some more of the product and then create a little loop-de-loop and boom, bam, pop. There's your 3-strand twist. All right, let's do another one because we have to put in that work. I love me some DJ Khaled. All right, so I'm going to show you one more time how to do a 3-strand twist. I'm simply applying some more of that curl defining cream. Oh yes, look at that curl pop, honey. I'm going to detangle my hair, part my hair into 3 equal sections, and Put 2 strands in one hand, 1 strand in the other, and cross it over. Once your hair is completely twisted, you want to make sure that it's completely dry. Baby, there is nothing worse than a puffy twist out, okay? You can unravel your twist by applying some oil to your fingertips and separating each curl. I like big fluffy hair, so I go in even more and unravel my twist. There you have it, the perfect 3-strand twist out. Please be sure to like and subscribe and show your girls some love. Peace, love, and curls, y'all. I'm out.